Hi everyone, it's Joni Young here. Hi everyone, it's Joni Young here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a big surprise and a celebration. I have 400,000 subscribers and I want to thank you guys all. No, that sounds stupid. Thanks for joining me again in my studio today. I'm going to be demonstrating how to paint Northern Lights. Today, as you can see, I'm celebrating 400,000 subscribers. I can't believe I've reached 400,000 subscribers here on my channel, and it's all because of you guys. Thank you so much, everybody. Who's hiding under this hat? This is our new puppy. This is Minnie, and Tilly loves her. Yeah, we're so happy to have this new furry member as part of our family. She's a Pomeranian and she's 9 weeks old today. We've had her for 1 week only and she's fitting in perfectly. I can't imagine not having her. Tilly has so much fun with her and we're just one big happy family now. It feels complete. I wanted to show you all our new puppy and celebrate my 400,000 subscribers that I've reached here on my channel all in one quick little video. Thank you guys so much. I hope you'll celebrate with me today, and I'm going to blow these candles out and make a big wish for blessings for all of you guys and health, happiness, and joy. She's just the sweetest little dog. I feel so rich and spoiled with puppy love. I have the two sweetest little girls here, and I think Tilly really needed a new friend. I mentioned in another video that Tilly's sister and best friend moved away and she hasn't really been the same since. And my husband and I both decided that it was the right time to get a new puppy. We didn't know when or where or what kind of puppy we were going to get. And within a couple of days, just putting it out into the universe, that's what we wanted. It's kind of like she came to us and my husband actually found her and then we went to get her and brought her home, and it's just working out wonderfully. She's really cheering me up. You guys know that I've been going through a little bit of a health problem, scare. I want to let you guys know all of your prayers and well wishes and good energy, healing energy, I think has really made a difference because it uplifted me. It made me feel comforted. I didn't really feel comfortable with sharing that with everybody, and I decided to just do it. And I think it was cathartic for me and therapeutic. And when I did that, I started to feel a little bit better within the next few days. So I've had, today is 3 days straight with no dizziness at all. I'm so grateful for that. I feel like a brand new person, honestly. I have taken into consideration everything you guys have told me, all the advice I've been getting. I didn't realize so many of you out there were suffering with the same thing, or that you know somebody who is. I knew that it was a common problem, but I just didn't realize how common that it actually is. I want to wish all of you guys out there that are suffering with anything right now, I want to wish you guys all the best. I'm sending love and prayers to you. And I really truly believe in positive energy and wishing well to others out there, and it can really help to heal along with painting. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for subscribing and helping me reach 400,000 subscribers here on my channel. I'm thrilled to have you all. I'm grateful and I'm blessed. And I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Bye! So thanks for joining me again today, guys. I hope you liked my video. Give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think, and stay tuned for next week. Bye!